Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to share notes to Instagram posts. So first thing that you will do is simply open the Instagram application, and guys, make sure you are running the latest version of the Instagram in order for you to do this. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and find a post that you want to share your notes. So let's say I'm gonna go for this post. So in order for you to do that, just simply tap on the share button or the airplane icon over here. And now from here, guys, at the bottom left corner of the screen, you should be able to see here, add a note. So just simply tap on add note. And from here, just simply tap on try now. And from here, you should be able to add a note over here. And now tap on share. And from there, guys, people can see your note on this Instagram post. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out understand more about Instagram. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.